Itemini ria kuhanda mwihoko kuri Kenya na ahurani ya iturwa itiganite, Commission ya ithurano ni yatemanirie mendekithia maigana na magucenjia mawatho ma ithurano kuri bunge ya bururi niguo kwa gucokera mahitia maria mangikorwo maumirire githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2017. Muthenya wa keri na wa gatano kiumia giki, IEBC iregagirira bunge ni ngiraturire mweke wa kwaririria mamwe ma mendekithia maya na kumahitukia indi iratungwo ni kimako thutha wa bunge kuhinga cikaro na guthiho muka mamwe ma mendekithia matahitukitio na mangi maikio nja maria IEBC ugite ni mangirahurire njeki mehariria makinyaniru ma kurekereria maumirira.
Parliament has rejected those recommendations. But those recommendations in the regulations were meant to make this process smooth. Example of cases where presiding officer is unable to transmit results from a polling station because of lack of 3G network, but on his way to the constituency tallying center, he finds network somewhere and transmits. That's what we had reduced in the regulations.
Gatagati-ini ga githina kiria IEBC irang'ethanira nakio nikia utefefu wa menyuge ya internet iria ikahuthirwo gukinya maumirira unarendekithia riao ria kwenda gicunjĩ kia 44 kia watho wa ithurano gicenjio niguo kuhe maabitha ayo wiyathi wa gutumira maumirira haria internet yonekera, no abunge marona ta gicunjĩ kieru kingihuthirwo gukungeria wara maumirira kuma icigo-ini iria iri na thina wa internet.
And we are doing all this to ensure that this process is transparent, so that we don't have any gaps in the entire process.
Ona kuri uguo IEBC ugite rahuthira mieri iri itigarite kwambatira ikiro cia hinya wa internet thwa mageria ma muthenya wa ira maurekereria wa mumirira kuonania gatithio.
Traditionally, what we have done from 2017, we first of all map the strength of the mobile network operators, and depending on the strengths, the kits, one of them with the highest strength in the area in terms of connectivity becomes the primary SIM.
Kugituika muthingi wa mitambo ya IEBC yahandite ni ukenyenya, commission ino ndegetiria mbukirira iria cieyumirire githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2017 riria mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM rero wa Azimio One Kenya Raila Odinga ahandire cira wa gutetia uhotani wa President Uhuru Kenyatta. IEBC yugite ni thurimite icigo ciothe iria ciari na thina uyu na ni iharirie gutigirira gutire kihingisha kia mitambo gikeyumiria.
But we are going to engage in on the 9th of August after polling is a transparent, a simple, transparent process that will satisfy all the stakeholders and the country as a whole, as far as results transmission is concerned.
IEBC yerire Kenya ithurano ire na uma na waragania na guteaniria hao yothe ria ngikirirwo mutaratara wa githurano. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.